guys, this is Sassy Shif says welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this look, as you can see, is going to be my Christmas special for you all. If you want to know how to get this shimmery red smoky eye, which is an ideal party look this season, then keep on watching. For this look, I'm going to be using Sigma Beauty's Warm Neutrals Volume 2 palette, which consists of 12 amazing matte and shimmer shades. This has become my go-to palette for neutral toned eye looks. To begin with, I use the shade Toasty, which is a golden beige shade, with my fluffy brush, and I've covered my entire eye area. This also makes for a perfect beige shade. Next, I'm gonna take my E55 shading brush by Sigma Beauty and dip into Rogue, which is a berry red matte shade. Remember to gently pack this color in, making a V on the outer corner of your eye. Remember to take any small flat eye brush and dip into the shade Reset, which is a purple brown shimmery shade, and gently apply it slightly outward from your inner corners. It'll add a slight purplish shine on your eyes. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl concealer and apply it right on the center of my lids, covering almost 2/3 area of my eyes. Once that is set, I have slightly wet my fingers and I'm packing on the shade Fool's Gold, which is a dark silver shade with pigmented gold glitter. That way you get a mix of silver and gold shine on your lids. I've again reached out to my small shader brush and I'm gently packing the same color on. Remember to blend the outer edges with the same shade with lighter movements. I took the shade Charmer, which is a pale shimmery pink shade, on my fingertip to highlight the inner corners. Now I've reached out to Rogue again to slightly add the red color on the outer corners of my lower lash lines. You'll be surprised how smooth passion fruit shade will smoke out your lower lash line. I'm drooling over this matte baby pink shade. I'm using my most favorite jet black gel liner called Wicked by Sigma Beauty. The Sinuosity Lash Mascara by Sigma Beauty is my favorite eye-opening curling mascara, which is also smudge-proof and it adds such a great dimension. Use this game changer power lip liner called Heartbeat, which is so full of color and it doesn't dry your lips. Topping it up finally with the Lip Eclipse Opaque Liquid Lipstick in the shade She Knows the Ropes, which has a smooth satin finish. I love this bright shade of watermelon mashed with mangoes. So as you guys saw, I've used just 3 shades to get this perfect party smoky red shimmery eye, and I hope you guys like this Christmas party look. For more such awesome videos and more such look tutorials, make sure to keep coming back to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out my video when it's live. Make sure to share the love, like, share and subscribe guys.